Hi everybody, this is Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and we're going to be making this fun, great card. This uses the lovely lipstick foil sheets that you could get at, or you could have gotten at during celebration, and so we're going to be using that. Everything we're going to need for this card, first of all, is down below, and you can order directly from there. We're using Humming Along stamp set. We are using Memento black ink. For cardstock, we're using an 8.5 by 5 piece of Bermuda Bay. We are using a piece of Bermuda Bay. Now, where is it? 3.25 by 2.25. We are using another piece of that's not Bermuda Bay, this is Gorgeous Grape. Sorry, 3.25 by 2.25 Gorgeous Grape, and another larger piece of Gorgeous Grape for the label. So it has to be enough that the label punch will punch it. That isn't big enough, so I'm going to be using this. We are also using a 2 by 3 inch piece of lovely lipstick. I really love that. We are also then using, of course, glue dots and stamping dimensionals, the Big Shot, and the Petite Label Punch, and we're using the lovely Floral dynamic embossing folder. Now, can you see this? See that big flower? We're just going to use that. What we're going to do is I'm going to take, and I've already done this, I'm going to take my, and what I had was I had 2-inch strip, 2 by 12-inch strip, so I cut these in 3 inches. I got 4 of them, and I'm just, it was perfect for that big flower, just perfect. The big flower fits perfectly on a 2-inch wide strip. So that's what I'm doing. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to run this through the Big Shot in the lovely floral textured embossing folder, okay? And this is what you get. Now let's bring it down so you can see that a little better. Isn't that beautiful? And again, I loved lovely lipstick folder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2.25 by 3.25 piece of Gorgeous Grape, and I'm just going to attach the one that I've already taken through the Big Shot. And there we go. I'm going to just stick that on, and then I'm going to stick that on the top because I want to show off that flower, okay? I really want to show off that flower. So I'm just going to take this, put that on just like that. Then I'm going to stamp. You can stamp the Feeling Better, Happy Birthday, whatever you want. You can stamp anything. I need thank you cards. So you may get this if you order from me. You can order, all the information's down below to order. Okay, and I'm just going to punch that out. I'm going to take a couple dimensionals. Put that on just like that. And there we go. Isn't that beautiful? So remember to follow me on YouTube. All the information is down below. Thanks from Mary's Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.